In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your side marker light on your Chevy HHR. It's located on the side of the bumper in the front. You should have a push pin here, here, and a bolt here. You're going to remove this one, and use a 7mm socket to remove this bolt. Now we're going to pull down on this so we can access the marker light. So now I'm reaching up into the bumper, and I'm going to take this plug out, and then we're going to take the marker light out. So to do that, we're going to pull back here, disconnect it. We're going to squeeze these two ears and push the lens out. You're going to use some hook shot type needle nose pliers, and you're going to squeeze in those two ears and push it out. And then come on the other side and pull that out. Now we're going to put our lens in. You're going to line up the bottom tab first, slide it into place, and snap it in. Now plug it in. I'm going to reach up inside the bumper and connect the connector. Let's put this back. This one was missing for us, so I'm going to put one in. And then we're going to put our other one over here. Let's tighten up that bolt. And we're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.